How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use RESTOREHUB to fully back up your members. So if Discord bans you, or they ban your server, or anything happens, or you want to just expand to a new server and create a new project, you're able to pull all of your members into a new server, and you can't lose anybody, and every member that you gain is with you forever. So I'll quickly take you through how to use the tool. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into the custom bot section, add a bot, click add a bot, and you can put any name here. This is just for internal tracking, so we'll name it test bot 1. And then we'll go to discord.com/developer/applications, and you're going to create a new application, and we can name it test. So once you've gone ahead and made it, you can put a profile picture, you can change the name. This will be publicly displayed in your Discord server, so you want it to look nice. And then the next step would be going to the bot tab and resetting your token. And once you've copied that, you come and paste that token right there. The next step is to go into the OAuth 2 on the Discord developer portal and copy the client ID. And then copy the client secret ID. And then the final step would be copy this link right here back onto the Discord developer portal. And you're going to want to save that. And that's the steps to add a bot. The next step will be adding your server. So you'll create your bot. That'll show up nicely. The next step, go into the servers tab, and you want to add a server. So you select the bot that you just made, and you'll invite it to a server. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and create a server, just to show you guys how fast it is to do. And what you need in your server is just one channel, verify, and we're going to create a verified role. A lot of people like to gate the rest of their server behind this role, so you can click on permissions, turn it on as private, and then add the verified role as the role that can see it. And you want to just make sure that anybody can see the verified channel. Next step is to come back here and click add it to your server, and we'll add it to the test server that we just made. And the most important thing that you do is come back into the server settings, into roles, and make sure that the role that your test bot was given is above the verified role. Very, very important. So then we'll come back and we can refresh, and you'll notice that the server is there now. We'll continue, and this is the server name that's automatically populated. The verified role, this is what users get when they actually verify, and your custom page tag. So for this we'll just put test, but you'd also want to have it as your server name. So once it's created, we're in the last step. We're just going to create a verification panel. So you can name it whatever you want. You can see a live preview of it to the right. You can change the colors. There's a lot of customization that you guys can take a look at. You can see all of these different panels, but this is just a general introduction to get it into your server so that you can start backing up your members. But once you're done creating the panel, everything looks good. Your role is automatically assigned right there, but you could change it as well. And you're going to click the send button, send it to the verify channel, and it should be good to go. So you can see that it's a the verify panel is showing. Right now I don't have the role. If I click here and I verify, and you can customize that page fully as well. So as you can see, after this loads, it'll say verified successfully, and if I navigate back to Discord, you'll see that I now have the verified role. And if I come back into RestoreHub and come into my overview, if I refresh, you can see it sees my server and it sees the verified member that just verified. So that's how you use this tool to set it up in your server. And then obviously if you want to pull those members, we make it super easy to just select the server, add the bot to another server, select the server and click pull, and it'll pull all of your verified members. Great way to back up your members in case of account bans, server bans, and if you want to use your members for another project, super useful. So I hope that you've gotten some clarity from this tutorial, and I can't wait for you guys to use the tool because it's the best on the market.